for lush greenery in your home but limited by space? Don't worry, even in the coziest of spaces, you can indulge your love for plants. Welcome back to my channel. I am Plant Girl and I am here to guide you through the world of gardening and nature. If you are as passionate about these topics as I am, be sure to hit that subscribe button to join our growing community. Number 1. Moss Rose. First up, let's talk about the charming moss rose. With delicate and colorful blooms, this plant adds a touch of elegance to any space. Its compact size makes it a perfect choice for small households. Moss rose thrives in confined containers, making it an ideal companion for your cozy haven. Number 2. Syngonium dwarf. Moving on to a graceful Syngonium dwarf, its exquisite foliage showcases a mix of vibrant shades, bringing life to even the tiniest corner. This plant petite nature doesn't compromise its beauty. It's tailor-made for compact living spaces, making it a top pick for plant enthusiasts seeking style and convenience. Number 3. Satin Puthos. Let's shine a spotlight on the alluring Satin Puthos. With its heart-shaped leaves and trailing vines, it's a visual treat for any room. This plant not only thrives in limited space but also purifies the air, a double win for your cozy abode. Its adaptability and compact growth pattern makes it a must-have for small space gardeners. Number 4. Philodendron Brazil. Say hello to the Philodendron Brazil, a true gem for confined environments. Its variegated foliage adds a pop of color and personality to your living space. As a compact climber, it's perfect for vertical growth, utilizing wall space efficiently. If you are looking to create a green focal point without taking up much room, this is your go-to choice. Number 5. Philodendron Mycons. Another fantastic option is the Philodendron Mycons. Its velvety leaves and trailing vines lend an air of sophistication to any setting. This plant is a space-saving wonder, gracefully cascading from shelves or hanging planters. If you want a touch of luxury in your compact home, Philodendron Mycons won't disappoint. Number 6. Snake plant. Last but not the least, the resilient snake plant earns its spot on our list. Renowned for its air-purifying qualities, this plant is the ultimate companion for health-conscious urban dwellers. Its upright growth and low maintenance needs are tailor-made for those tight on space. With a snake plant around, you can enjoy the benefits of nature without sacrificing your precious square footage. Thank you for joining me in exploring these incredible plant options for small spaces. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Spread the green love by sharing this video with your friends and remember to subscribe for more inspiring content. Until next time, happy gardening. Bye-bye.